All right, guys, we are at a detail, so we're going to go through this together. I haven't been inside yet. We're going to take a look. You guys let me know what you would do. Would you replace it? Would you fix it? Let me know. Let's see. Definitely off the get-go here, this door size is weird. It is just weird. It's just not flowing. So, I would do 710. This is one of those jobs, though, we're definitely going to have to go off with the existing door if somebody did it right, which we're hoping somebody did it right. We're going to have to go off because this is an odd size. I can feel it. So it looks like we might have to get, we don't have access in there. I got the wife of Tron today. So maybe we'll find a key. I don't know where the key would be, though. All right, well, stay tuned.
What's that, brother? Brother,
So one thing I've noticed that when you're dealing with the realtors, I don't know why, but the last one we went to, one, two, the box didn't have a key. There was oh no. Oh no, we got robbed. There was a code. So it's kind of one of those things, it's kind of a pain. It's like they don't know the property that well. So I don't know. Maybe I'm just not seeing it, but I'll have to ask where the code box is or whatever. On the positive side, I have no idea why. There's a porta-john just kind of in this field. There's no construction, but I guess at least we have a crapper, or maybe that's what they used, because that's just the place. But you guys can kind of see it's not the nicest area. It's very interesting. Very interesting.
I'm pretty tired. Think I'll go home now.